Hello everybody, it's Claire here from My Creative Spirit with a new project to share with you. Altered in papers from the Joy to the World collection by Graphic 45. I've taken our flip front box and album set and our black construction tape and then lots of Graphic 45 products. So Joy to the World collection, I've used the patterns and solids, the 8x8, the ephemera cards, the chipboards, the tags and stickers, and some of the black square tags, and created this fun little album in a box. So let me show you how the kit turns out. So once assembled, the box has a lift-off lid. I've put just a straight handle attached with glue and 2 buttons underneath. So that's not a handle that you can lift the whole box up with, but you can lift the lid off using it. And then a nice, just over 6 inches wide by just over 3 inches deep, little box that is also big enough to take jam jars or soaps. So a great little box to use as a gift caddy. And then the lid comes off and the front flips down so that it creates that opening so you can see the album inside or whatever it is that you've put in it. And then the album, so the kit comes with the album covers as well and the pieces to make the box, and the album just slots inside. I've just added an ephemera card at the back there just to lighten up the inside, but I've decorated it in black so that you can see what's inside. And then this lovely flip down front, I've got the papers that I've used on the lid of the box. I love that paper with the snowy effect on. And then the other side of it to cover the outside of the box. And then a border strip around the bottom, just to add a little detail to coordinate with the lid. So that's the little box. And the album inside the box is a 6-inch album. I've created it as a pocket album. A great little album if you want to create a gift. It can be altered in 8x8 or 12x12 papers. And I've used an ephemera card and then some cutout elements just to give a little dimension on the top. I've added a hint of glitter and 3 little buttons. I've got the green paper from the box. That's the 8x8 size. I used 12x12 on the box. A border strip that goes all the way around. And then I've used the plaid paper. I love that for Christmas at the bottom. So all the colours really coordinate beautifully. There are 4 key colours in this collection. And I've picked them all out so that you can see how they work together in this little album. So that's the front cover, and then opening up, it is a little pocket album, as I say. So we've got the lovely festive holly leaves here, nice little pocket, sticker on the front, and then I've used the ephemera cards just with a bit of twine or floss to create the tags and the photo mats to go in the pocket on the cover. And then over here, just a little pocket. I've made little photo books and used the floss on the side. Just open up, just simple little photo books from a small ephemera card. That slides into the pocket, and then I've used these large tags that you could write on and put photos on the back of as well in the deep pocket, and there's a deep pocket on each page. So it is a really simple little album. The pages are repeated, so they are exactly the same. You've got a flat side with a little pocket. We've got the large tag in here, a little ephemera card photo mat, a sticker decoration on the pocket, and this little album has got the extended spine, so it gives you room to put something down the centre. Got a top opening little ephemera card photo book, slides into the pocket, and a single ephemera card here making a little photo mat. I love the bells. I love how the papers go together. So this page is really greens and yellows. So I've used the gold patterns and solids and this lovely paper with the branches of the Christmas trees and the little candles on. And we've got a little chipboard piece here. And then flipping over, I've gone for the blues, and it's not red, it's sort of a pinky red, beautiful colour from the Patterns and Solids. So again, we've just got an ephemera card mat here. I've used the tags and pockets, part of the pocket here at the top, just to decorate the page. I've got the banners on black card here. The centre one is popped up for the detail on the pocket, and then a coordinating ephemera card, just one of the smaller ones, for the little single photo mat. And then on this side, I took a double, or the large ephemera card, cut it in half, and put it on both sides of the little folding photo book. We've got some gloss decorating here. You'll recognise that, it's the main page from the collection, the 8x8 paper. A little sticker here on the front. Oh no, that's from the Tags and Pockets, I think. Yeah. And then the large square photo mat, just plain for pictures, on the back in the pocket. And I love how that page works together. The red really picks out, or the pinky red really picks out the roses. And then on this page, I've gone sort of gold and put the angels. We've got a chipboard piece on here, a lovely ephemera card on this little fold-out photo book, and another one in the pocket. This was the large ephemera card cut in half, and I've just stuck the pieces onto the outside of the photo book. And then we've got the large tag in the pinky red in the pocket, and a sticker on the front here. And then I've gone for the pink and red again, a blue and red again, and we've got one of the tags and pockets here. I've cut it down, it was actually a pocket, so I've used the bottom half on the front of the pocket and the top half as the decoration on the page. A large ephemera card for the little photo book, and a large one again, I think, in here. I love the bells. Beautifully coordinates this collection. So that was a large ephemera card postcard on the little photo book. A little chipboard piece here on the border, and then the large photo mat pulls out of the pocket. And then flipping to the back cover, I've gone with the golds and my favourite paper, which is this floral that I've used on the lid of the box. I've got another large square tag there, a double photo book, just with a small ephemera card on the front. And then we've got, this is from the Tags and Pockets, and a sticker mounted up here on black card just to finish the last page of the album. So that's it, the little pocket album. Makes a lovely gift, and it's a great album if you're new to album making and want to start out. So do check out how to make it. You can find all the links below to the products used in the project, and to the video on how to make the 6x6 pocket album as well. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to give me the thumbs up if you've enjoyed the video. I hope it's inspired you to be creative with this gorgeous collection, and subscribe to my channel to be kept up to date with new projects as they come out.